Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope we are all doing great. Today we are going to talk about how to look for fully funded scholarships in Germany. So if this is something you are interested in, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you go to Google and type DAAD.de, and then it's going to take you here. The first website you see, you click on that and you're going to get to their main website. Okay, when you get here, you come down and look for you look for scholarships to Germany. You click on scholarships to Germany. Okay, so this is where the scholarships are. It says that it has 181 funding opportunities, and that is because we've not sorted through it. So you're going to use their filter to go through it and get a limited number. Now, this part says keyword or program title. I would advise that you don't enter anything there and just come straight to programs for. They are asking which program you're applying to. Are you applying for a graduate program or an undergraduate or a PhD? So you are going to click graduate program for the sake of our video. Now, which country are you applying from? So I'm a Ghanaian, so I'm going to enter Ghana. Okay, then the next thing is specialization. What is your specialization? What field did you do during your undergraduate? So I'm going to click on this one. Then the next one is plan. What do you plan on doing in Germany? Are you going to teach, or is it a research, an internship, a language course, or you are going for studies? So I'm going to choose studies. Now, apart from the DAAD scholarships, there are other scholarships here too, but I'm going to select only funding offers from DAAD. So let's click on this and then let's see. Okay, so now we have 4 scholarships here available to us. So these are the scholarships, and all these scholarships are fully funded scholarships. All of them are fully funded. So let's just choose one and go through it, and you see why I say it's fully funded. Okay. Now, the first scholarship I clicked on is development-related postgraduate programs. It's the DAAD EPOS scholarship. This scholarship is a development-related scholarship. It says that with its development-related postgraduate courses, the DAAD promotes the training of specialists from developing and emerging countries. So this scholarship is for the training of people from developing countries. So the next thing is who can apply. They have a list of countries who are eligible to apply for the EPOS scholarship. So this is the list of the countries. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, this is the list of countries that can apply for this scholarship. So if you see your country here, it means that you are eligible to apply for this scholarship. Let's just go back. Now, what is being funded? The thing is, with this scholarship, you can't apply to your school and then apply for this scholarship to cover your living expenses or tuition or anything. No, the scholarship comes with its own programs. So you'd have to come to this website and then go through their courses to choose one which suits your field. So this is the list of all postgraduate courses with the application date 2025-26. So it's saying that they are showing you the courses that are available with this scholarship. So so this is a list of the programs available. Okay. So this is the programs, the schools, the language the program is in, the degree type, and the duration of the program and deadline. So as I said, the scholarship comes with its own programs. So you'd have to go through this and then look for a program that suits you, and then you pick it. So this is how you do it. If you think that this program, a master's program in international and development economics, is something you're interested in, you just click on it and it will take you directly to the school's website so that you will know more about the program. It will also tell you their requirements. There are requirements on the DAAD platform, but the schools also have their own requirements. So it would be best to also come to the school's website and then check their requirements and the application process. Okay, so let's just go back. Let's go here. Okay, duration of funding. Each of the programs has its own duration of funding, so you still have to go back to this list. You see, some of the programs are 17, 24 months, 22 months, so each has its own duration. So yeah, duration of funding and scholarship benefits. What are you getting with the scholarships? We are saying it is fully funded because they are giving you a monthly allowance of 934 euros for graduate students and 1,300 euros for doctoral students. This is your monthly allowance, which covers your living expenses. The next thing you are getting is benefits for health, accident, and private liability insurance. So you are getting covered. You are fully insured. You are not going to pay for insurance. You are going to be subsidized for travel expenses and provided the cost. Okay, so it says that they are going to subsidize your travel expenses if the cost is not being paid by your home country or another person. So they are basically saying they will pay for your travel expenses. In addition, the following additional benefits may be granted under certain conditions. Monthly rental allowance. So you can be given monthly rental allowance under certain conditions, and monthly supplements for accompanying family. If you go with family, they are going to give your family members allowances. If you go with your spouse will get an allowance. And if you go with kids, they are also going to get their allowances. Okay, so this is the selection, the type of people they are looking for. So candidates who have necessary professional qualification to successfully complete their program in Germany. Okay, so candidates with a bachelor's degree, usually 4 years in relevant field. So you look through it, and if you think that you are somebody like what they are saying, you can then go on and try to apply. Now this document, okay, let's just click on this. This document gives you more information about the programs, the deadlines, and all that. So let's go here and see the first program. The first program is Master in International and Development Economics. So the location, the course focus. So they are just giving you more information about the program that you are applying to, so that the course language, the entry requirements, the course beginning of the program, the duration. So these are all giving you more information. So all the programs they have said that you can apply to, they are all in this document. So you go through it and then you go through the entry requirements or the process of application. If you need to go to the school's platform, they will tell you here, but I'm sure you would have to go to the school's platform to apply through their portal or something. So yeah, this is it. Let's go back and then go here to application requirements. What requirements must be met? So these are the requirements for the ideal candidates they are looking for. And language skills. If the program you're applying to is in German, you would need a German certificate. If it's in English, you don't need a German certificate. You will need an English language certificate. But the good thing is that they don't require an English language certificate in all the schools. Some schools may need you to bring the IELTS and the TOEFL, but most of the schools will just tell you to bring your English proficiency letter, and then they are good. So it's not really stressful at all. This scholarship is one of the scholarships which has a lot of benefits and not difficult to apply. So yeah, for English language degree programs, proof of adequate English language skills in accordance with the requirements of the respective degree programs. So they are saying that the respective degree programs, which means the schools requirements. If the school needs you to bring the letter of proficiency, that's fine. If the school needs you to bring your certificate, that is also up to the school. So you'd have to go to the school's website. But most of them, they ask you to bring your proficiency letter. And then this is the application process. So yeah, we've gone through it. And then they have required documents for applying for a DAAD scholarship. So these are the required documents you need to submit. You would have to go through these and then make sure you have all the documents they need you to bring. Now, if you want me to make a separate video on the application process, you can just leave it in the comment section and I'll make sure to make a tutorial on how to apply to this program. But yeah, this is basically it. So you go through the application process and then you make sure you have everything they are asking for, and then you can start applying. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on studying abroad. Bye.